Okay, we've got a brand new tent from C6 Outdoor right here. This is their Generation 2 Rev Tent, and you guys know I already love their Rev Tent, so let's get to unboxing this thing, and I'm going to show you how to set it up, and you can kind of see how it works. And you already know I'm going to be using my favorite knife from my northbound trip in Bozeman, my full tang steel knife. Love this thing. Okay, here's what you're going to get in your brand new Generation 2 box. So a lot of it's the same as Generation 1 if you currently have one of those, but you've got your thicker foam, you've got your softer foam, which is going to be the mattress part. You've got your brand new Rainfly, which is made of a lot thicker of a material, so that's going to be a great upgrade, and it's removable this time. You've got your poles, you've got your main tent there, and that's your mattress cover. So pretty simple setup, but yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to get set up here is going to be the mattress for the tent. So to get started with that, you're going to want to open up this mattress cover here first, and then you're going to put in both the hard foam and the softer foam pieces into here. So it looks like this brand new tent mattress cover has got a lot softer of, it feels more like a mattress than the Gen 1 tent. That's a nice touch. So I think that's gonna be nice when I'm actually camping in there, because originally it was just kind of like a, I don't know, it wasn't as soft and cozy as this one. So that's a nice touch. And then how you're gonna want to put these harder foam pieces in is they've got little notches out of them. So right here on this edge, and you're gonna want to basically just interlock them just like that. So those notches, lock them together like so, and then put them in there. So I've got one piece in, so we're gonna get this other one. Now we've got the base all set, so that's what's gonna actually basically block anything from below you actually going through and like feeling it when you're sleeping. That's why this is such a great ground tent if you're using it for that purpose, and it's what gives it the same kind of dual purpose as a rooftop tent, which is really cool. And then next you're going to need to open this kind of vacuum packed section right here, and that's going to be your actual soft foam mattress. So let's open that up. This is going to be this satisfying part, because I know it's all vacuum sealed. So oh yeah, hear that? Oh yeah, there we go. Sweet. Awesome. Okay, there is the actual mattress. So as it's going back to its regular shape, this thing is soft and squishy, and I'm noticing it seems to be a little bit softer than the first generation, I think, which is going to be good because it was always just a little bit firm, which is fine, but it seems to be a little bit softer, which is a good touch. I'm super excited. I think the mattress improvements, they didn't really mention the mattress improvements, but I can definitely tell the mattress cover's nicer, and I think, unless I'm going crazy, I think that the actual mattress itself seems a little bit higher quality, and I think it's going to be comfy. So, but yeah, just kind of work its way in there. If you need to, reach down in those corners and pull it down, but it's going to be a snug fit, so it'll definitely take some working. All right, we had to move inside, but I'm going to get started with the actual tent footprint itself, and then we'll throw the mattress in there. So the tent footprint is honestly like the trickiest part, just because you got to get the poles in for the first time, and it's kind of weird. It's kind of like setting up a ground tent, but once the poles are in, this thing's super easy to set up. From basically now is the hardest part, and then every other time you're going to camp, it's going to be super easy. Okay, we've got the actual tent laid out right here. Time to flip it open and see what it really looks like. Oh, there we go. Sweet. So yeah, this is the color I went for. This is just their regular model. So it's kind of this gray kind of color, and the Rainfly I've got is I think it's their desert color. So I've got some orange hints on there. I think it's a pretty sweet color, and I'm excited about some of the features in here, and I'm going to show you guys some of these. All right, so I've got all my poles here, And you're gonna have basically 3 different poles here. Your first one is gonna be kind of shaped like this. It's kind of like the medium pole. That's actually gonna go on this end right here. It's gonna go where the little vent is. And then the second pole, you have this little hoop shaped pole. That's actually gonna go on this end, and it's gonna go over your kind of main door. So it's gonna create that kind of opening. And then the third type of pole is gonna be the largest pole, and this is going to go 1 on the main entrance and then 2 in the center. So, and I remember the first time putting these in is a little bit difficult just because the fabric's kind of new. It gets way easier over time. So yeah, might take a little bit of effort, but yeah, let's start getting this. So I'm gonna attempt this first entrance here. Let's see, I wanna make sure I put it in the right spot. Let's pull number 1 in. And let's see if we can, yeah, it's gonna go right there. If we can also get it in here. Okay, yeah, there's your first pole right there. So already looks like way more headspace, which is gonna be sweet. All right guys, it's the next day. I just ended up not finishing it last night. I got kind of tired. Anyways, let's finish the setup of this thing. So first I'm gonna get the mattress inside of here. And then after that, I'm gonna put the Rainfly on and kind of see how it all looks together. But yeah, let's get the mattress in here. What you're gonna wanna do is, it's got a wider door on this end. You're gonna wanna open that all the way up, kind of clear the inside of anything like getting in its way. And the mattress is gonna be a tight fit. So you're gonna almost have to like bend it to like get it in here through the door. It shouldn't be horrible, but once you get it in there, it's gonna be snug and it'll fit well. All right, so I've got everything out of the way. All the doors are open. So this is definitely a little bit difficult, but let's see here. Just bend it. Yeah, just like that. So you're just gonna kind of grab it and bend it and bring it in to the tent here. Boom. Okay, we got that in there. I'm just gonna push it down in all the corners, get it like kind of seated in the tent. And then, yeah, I'm excited how this is going. Okay, we got the mattress in, and I'm gonna put this Rainfly on and get this thing completed, and we'll see how it looks in the end. So let's get going with the Rainfly here. Okay, you're gonna drape the Rainfly over the tent here, and this end is going to go over your door, and then this end with the C6 logo is gonna go over your vent on the other side. So to attach this thing, you're going to clip right here. So the Rainfly's got this in, clip it to your tent there, and then we'll put that last pole in this opening over the main door. All right, once you get the fly on and you've got it buckled in all 4 corners right there, it's gonna look like this. And then I'll go inside here. And you've got this last pole going to one of those right there. A few Velcro straps into there. And then now you've got a little opening. So like, rain's gonna not come in your tent, but it's a lot darker in here, which is great, because when that sun hits you in the morning, it's not so fun. So I'm excited how dark it is in here. And I think this Rainfly seems like a lot higher quality compared to the Generation 1. Not saying it was bad quality, but this just feels like a nicer, more water resistant material. And I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, and here is the tent all packed up. And I just love how light it is, like 2 fingers. Oh yeah. Maybe not 2 fingers, but it's still pretty light. And This thing's awesome. I'm excited with the changes they made. And I didn't even mention this outdoor, or I guess exterior case protection they've got here. It's a lot higher quality than the Gen 1. It feels a lot thicker and it packed up a lot nicer compared to the Gen 1. You know what, I'll just grab the Gen 1 just to show. I've actually got it right here. Funny enough. And maybe I'm going crazy, but the Gen 1 also feels a little heavier. But obviously, the Gen 1 has gone through some abuse. It's gone through more than 24 camp trips in the past like year and a half. But I do love this thing. So if you want to buy either the Gen 1 or the Gen 2, you can use my discount code Trail Teams Overland and you can get a discount on one of these guys. So yeah, head to my link in my description. It'll take you right to C6 Outdoor and you can get yourself a Gen 1 or Gen 2 tent. I know I say this a lot, but I love these things. They are so awesome, but definitely go check it out. And I'm super excited about this Gen 2 and I will see you guys later. Have a good one.